Hello everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesign.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. So behind me you see I'm still working on the chair, but you may see this video long after the chair videos because I'm multitasking. I'm going to do another video while I'm waiting for that bad boy to dry. I got this. So this little guy was another vendor's and he fell apart. I mean, obviously, and she threw him in the garbage. This was a couple years ago and I took him out of the garbage. I'm like, you could fix that. And she didn't want it. So he's mine now and I got to fix him. So let me show you what we're working with here. So he's like kind of like a nutcracker. Here's his bottom. It's like an incense burner. I don't really know what he is. He's got a bottom and then he's got his little feetsies fit in here. He came off of everything. I don't know if he fell or what. I wasn't there when the destruction happened. One of his arms, I don't know if his arm's holding beer on that side. And then the other arm has this pipe, which that's, you know, it's probably an incense burner. He's smoking, see? So I'm gonna glue them all back together. She was like, no, it's fine. He's been fixed before. You can see right there, kind of. So we're gonna get the old glue off. You know what I'm guessing happened was somebody was like, wah, didn't realize he was two pieces and dropped him. So I'm gonna fix him. I'm gonna put him back in the shop while I'm waiting for that to dry. So if you've already seen this video, then you'll know how that turned out. I don't know yet. I'm still waiting. Let me get you guys faced towards my little guy here and we'll get him all cleaned up, repaired, and on his way to the shop. All right, sorry, I got a bit of a mess with all the stuff from the other projects up here, but let's start with gluing his bottom on, because that we can just glue down and set aside because it just goes like this. But I've got Gorilla Glue, clear Gorilla Glue, because I figured that would probably be the best for holding this in place. There we go. I do have a little bit of a brush here that I'm going to use to just coat that area. And then get in where his feet go here. Just trying to make sure we don't over glue. I think that's the problem. My husband's outside on a four-wheeler. I apologize for the noise. I think that's the problem when a lot of people do repairs, is they tend to just kind of glob on as much glue as they possibly can, and it's just too much. I was worried about that I might have to hold him in place. I may have to hold him. Nope, there he went. Let that dry. Over here. The arms are going to be the trickiest part, actually, because A, it's been repaired before. B, how do you hold the arms on? Like, seriously. Look at that. It is a mess. That's a lot of glue on there. I thought I could just scrape it off with like this, but I don't think so. Maybe. Yes, dear.
Can I use this on the stove?
Yeah?
Little one?
Yeah?
Okay.
Mm. Ah! All right, we're gonna have to get some sandpaper on that piece there. Where's my sandpaper?
Sandy ball, Sandy ball.
That one's still got a lot on there. Let's get some glue out here. This is his smoking arm. Maybe that's why she gave up on him, was that he had already been repaired. Looks like a couple times. And she just gave up. She just gave up on him. Don't give up on him yet. Darn it, I think I'm gonna have to hold that. Otherwise, I don't know how to hold the arm on there. Don't really have a clamp that'll work on that. That's why I had the hot glue gun out, because part of me is like, well, the hot glue will hold it in place faster. Nope. See? I think I'm gonna dab a centerpiece of hot glue in there. I took the little one out. Hang on. Thought you were gonna be a pain in the butt, and you are. You are most definitely a pain in the patoo, dude. I'm gonna have to use a little more there. I'm gonna hold it. I did get the glue gun out, so I just put a dot underneath in the center. So the Gorilla Glue will still dry harder than the hot glue, but the hot glue is just tacking that into place so that we can move on, and it'll hold it while the other stuff dries. That's a little trick I learned. I don't remember where I learned that from, but I don't know. I gather information from a lot of different sources at this point, and I'm not sure who taught me that. Oh, dang it, it came off. Dang it. Oh, see, I shouldn't have. Okay, let's do this at the same time here. Put a dot of hot glue in the center. To hold that arm in place. Now we've got the Gorilla Glue rocking over here and spooling out all over the place because I was not gentle. And then a little dot in the center. And now we just let them dry. So he's holding on to all his stuff. Now let's just let everything dry before we put it all back together. Okay, he's just about dry here. Well, he's dry. So let's put them together. And there's our repaired little incense burner. So he's got this little hole in the butt where the air comes in. The little incense receptacle, and then if you burn incense, it'll come out his mouth. The smoke will curl out his mouth. Now I again have issues with scents, so I cannot burn incense for you guys, but he's kind of cute, so we're gonna put a price tag on him and get him back in the shop. So her loss, my gain. You can throw it in the trash, but look, it's not trash. He's cute. Look how cute. He's steady on his feet now. His arms are on, and as long as I pack him up gently and make sure, you know, he doesn't get knocked around too much, we can get him in the shop. All right. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junking. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.